Hello! Welcome to Easy to Learn channel. Today, we are going to give you 10 examples of vocabulary and phrases related to daily activities. Let's get started. Stretch. I always stretch after getting out of bed. Shave. He shaves every other day. Meditate. She meditates for 10 minutes every morning. Take out the trash. I take out the trash before I leave the house. Write in a journal. She writes in her journal before going to bed. Listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast while commuting to work. Make a smoothie. He makes a healthy smoothie for breakfast. Reply to messages. I reply to my messages during lunch break. Check the weather. She checks the weather before going out. Plan the day. I plan my day the night before. Question? Well, these were the vocabulary and phrases related to our daily activities. If you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments.